Today is the day I start my first day of cleaning on my new trailer. With God's blessing, I will get a lot accomplished today. Today is the last day of the year for 2024, and I cannot wait to start 2025 because I am going to start a whole new life, a whole new way of living today. Thanks for the blessings of my friends and family and the good Lord above. Yes, I am so thankful. I cannot wait to get in here and start decorating and cleaning. I think this will be the first time in my life I'll ever be happy about cleaning. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share, because that sure would help me out a lot. And then, what is that? Oh my goodness, is that a little mouse? Well, I believe the carpet will go first. I wonder if there's other critters in here. I already found a snake skin. Got rid of that. Oh well. Rest in peace, mouse. Okie dokie. I'll check you later.